Hey everyone, welcome back to Jet Nautics. That's right, Jet Nautics. Small rebrand, no biggie. Everything else is still the same. Now, today we are going to unbox this secret package. Let's see what's inside. So this plane is an Edge 540. Now, what's an Edge 540? A plane that does stuff like this. These extremely aerobatic planes are known as 3D airplanes. They can even hover like a helicopter, but that depends on the skill of the pilot. Since I'm not that good of a pilot, I had to make my plane super durable. So I made it out of corosheet. Now, this plane is actually 4 years old. So I started building this plane with a couple of friends back in 2019. Mainly to teach my friends how to use corosheet, as it's quite a difficult material to work with. So that in the future, if any competitions come about, I have an experienced set of teammates, and also for us to learn how to fly 3D planes. But these competitions never happened, and we never finished our plane, all because of COVID-19. So this plane was left half complete at our hostel in Chennai for over a year before I brought it back to Kerala. But I was only able to start rebuilding it after I finished my bachelor's course, and that's why this plane is pretty historic. And now I'm going to turn this piece of history back into a flying machine. After unpacking the plane, let's see what we have. So this is all the parts laid out that we have. So that's the fuselage, the canopy hatch, the wing, the elevator, and the front covering. As you can see, a lot of the parts are actually missing. I don't know if I lost them or pretty much gone. So I'm going to start out with the fuselage. As you can see, the servos are all intact, so I'm going to have to see if that works. Give some extensions and probably fix the tail. It's pretty loose and the glue has given away. So then I'm going to fix the walls and also have to fix the underside of the fuselage. So only one cover I have, the other one is missing. So I also have to check how good this one is. So as you can see, there's some space for any peripherals if you want, and you have the landing gear cavity. So towards the front you can see this wall is pretty messed up. I'm gonna have to fix that, make a new one. You can see it's separated here. Focus. And then we have the battery straps. There's a lot of dust, gonna have to clean that out. Then we're going to the canopy hatch. So I'm gonna have to also work on this a little. So we have the front cowling. It's pretty messed up. I don't like the cutouts. So I'm gonna make a new one because I don't want the front to look ugly. And then this is the elevator. So as you can see, the rudder is missing. Then I have to make a new rudder as well. The only good part, or the part that's in good condition, is the wing. As you can see, it's still in one piece and it's still pretty strong. It is in very good condition. So I don't really have to do anything to the wing. Just focus on the fuselage and the whole assembly. Yes, I do have to attach the wing fence. That's missing as well. So I have the rest of the plans printed out. I'm going to cut these out and assemble the whole airplane. Hopefully it goes well. Let's start assembly. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of this build series. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Stay tuned for the next video, and until next time, bye bye.